If you're looking for a modern family home with a great layout, then this might just be the right one for you. Welcome to the Newington 22 Mark II. This is a 4-bedroom single-storey home, but there are a couple of features that I'd like to share with you. Let's have a look. The first thing I love about this home is that there are 2 separate living areas, and the bonus is that they're separated, one on either end of the house. As you enter the home, there's the living room. Now this is a great space to have a little bit of quiet time, or it can act as a second TV room. The second living area is this beautiful combined living, dining and kitchen. This is the hub of family life, and it's perfect when it comes to entertaining. The kitchen is a great size and it's flooded with natural light because of that beautiful splashback window. It's also got a really generous walk-in pantry. But another bonus is the separate study area, so you can keep an eye on the kids when they're doing their homework, or it can act as the perfect home office for you. Another great feature of the Newington 22 Mark II floor plan is how this open plan living area flows out onto the alfresco. It makes this already large room feel so much larger, and it's perfect for when entertaining, whether inside or out. Another thing I really like about the floor plan is that the bedrooms are located in the centre of the home. It creates a really nice quiet place. The master bedroom is a really great size and it has a walk-in robe plus a well-appointed ensuite. The other 3 bedrooms are located around the family bathroom, and it has a separate toilet, which is perfect for busy families. The Newington 22 Mark II has a really practical floor plan, and I encourage you to come and walk through it for yourself. You can do it right here at Homeworld Warnervale on the Central Coast, or you can jump online and take the virtual tour at edenbraehomes.com.au.